welcome to my channel. My name is Bhavyansh. Today I will teach maths and our topic is angle. So let's begin. So how is the angle formed? When two rays meet, they form an angle. They form. You were thinking how they form an angle. So it's telling when two rays meet. So what's the rays? One ray, two ray. These are not joining at each other. They are different. So they are not angle. If they are joining at the single point like this, so this point is called vertex. See, like for example, sun rays. If I tell you about sun rays, if sun's starting position here is go on in universe, and if same point starts from here of sun, there are so many rays. It's starts from light speed, so it's taken an angle. This how angle was being discovered in 90s. So now I will tell you that there are 7 types of angles. 7 types of. There are 7 types of angles. See, if you know how there are 7 types of angles, good. And if you don't know, so I will tell you now. There are 7 types of angles. Okay. First angle is acute angle. Acute angle. See, how is acute angle formed? This is one line ray, and this is less than this. If it's less than this but more than this, so it's an acute angle. And second one is zero angle. How is zero angle formed? Like this. If we have this is array, if we have same without any gap of ray, it's zero angle. It's not from here. It's not from here. It's from here. And it's passing 0 degree angle. That's why it's have done big. Now I will tell you about the other angles. I hope you have like and subscribe to my video. Now third one. Third one is right angle. See, how is right angle formed? See, this is, I have tell you in acute that this and this. If we remove this part, it's a right angle. I will explain you again, okay? One ray and an exact ray again at top. Exact, it's making a perfect square. And these right angles are like this too. It's not an acute angle, it's right angle only. If it's the question asks you which angle is this, so maximum shows it's an acute angle, but it's wrong. It's a right angle, because if we tilt the part, it's making a perfect square. That's why. Now let's come to our fourth angle. Okay, our fourth angle is up more than right but less than straight angle. It's obtuse angle. In obtuse angle, it's a more than right angle. This is a common plate like P and Q. It's just an example. I have not name these. Okay, and this is right angle. This is more than right but less than straight angle. So this angle is called obtuse and it's more than 90. See, it's making more than 90, so it is called obtuse angle. Now we will talk about the fifth one. See how is the fifth angle is straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. So in straight angle, what we do? In straight angle, we just thought it's a simple line, but it's wrong. Straight angle also have an angle. You were thinking how it's just a straight line. So it is. If you have seen in a clock, again clock at 6 o'clock, it's making this angle, so it is. So in straight angle, there is a point in between, not in a straight line, it's not. And it's make 180 degree. And it's a fixed 180 degree. If it's on 3, it's making fixed 90 degree. Understood? So now if I talk about next angle is reflex angle. So in reflex angle, it's more than a straight angle. This is a straight angle, 180 degree, but it's more than this. It's this degree. It's going from here. So which angle is this called? This is called reflex angle. More than 180, but less than 360, because 180 multiplied by 2. What will the answer will come? 360. That's why it's more than. So half means straight angle, it's fixed, and reflex angle is between straight and complete angle. Okay. So now next comes 360 degree angle, or we call it straight angle. Sorry, complete angle. So now I will tell you about which angle? Straight, complete angle. Complete angle, and its second name is 360 degree angle. See now, how is 360 degree angle formed? See, understood that this is 0 and this is in 0 angle, there it's don't make it any angle. In 360 degree, it's take a full circle like this. That's why it's called 360. Now if you study about the some will give you the question, which angle is this? 0 degree angle, straight angle, Or in straight angle there is a point between. If there would be no point, so how will we choose its complete or its zero angle? It's a pi from their double side. If it's making a full turn against it, if its layer is upper, so it's a 0 degree angle. Like this, they will give you like this question. So it's a 0 degree. I have not mixed straight. Okay, and if it's in exams, they will give as u and u, so you will not be confused. But then also in higher classes they will not give you, so you have to imagine it like I have done. Okay, now I will teach you something special now about angles. Okay, now I will teach you how to draw angles. We draw angles with the help of a scale and protractor. If you have a protractor, take it out and keep it aside for a minute. First we will draw how to draw angle. Then I will teach you how to measure angle. Then I will teach you how to draw angle. Means how to draw the particular angle with particular degree. So it's which angle is this? This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. Now which angle is this? I have told you in right angle also. This is not acute, it's a right angle. Because if you tilt over little it, so it will show you the right angle, a perfect square. So that's how we draw an angle. If we want to draw acute angle example, draw reflex angle like this. But in reflex angle, the angle come between it, and in acute angle, they come between these both angle and this come after both angle. Is this clear? So now I will tell you how to measure an angle. Now I have told you to put a protractor inside for a minute. Okay, so now we will use a protractor. Okay. So in protractor, like for example, I have given this angle. I am told anyone to measure angle. So please be careful about the angle if you are measuring. See, some people put a point like this, but they measure from here. It's wrong. If the ray is where it's going, means an angle is going here, so we will measure from here to here. And if say angle is going this side, so we will measure it here to here, all the way to 180 in both sides. Clear? So now I have drawn a main angle, any angle. So now I have tell you how to draw it. So put a protractor here. It should be exact 0 degree, but there is a problem too. See, don't measure it from here. Measure it from here if trace is going this side. If it's going this side, so measure from here. See now we will measure now. So 0 to 143 degree. It's coming. I have measured in front of you. It's a 143 degrees. But it's a wrong angle. Okay? It's not 140 degree. 3. It's a 143 from here. Okay, from here if we measure it, so it's coming 58 degree angle. Okay, so in 58 degree angle, and how I have forgot to tell you that we write angle like this. See, not a perfect line or not a this, like this. First tilt and straight, and write this A B C angle CAB. Okay, this is angle also. And now I have told you how to measure it. So now first we will do some practice. So now, if I have drawn a line, okay, and I have drawn any angle. Like for example, I have drawn obtuse angle. So in obtuse angle, first we will put an angle here. It is going from this side. Measure it from here all the way to 1. All the way to 119 degree. It's all the way through 119 degree. Okay. So it's a 115 degree. I've done a mistake. So it's not 119 degree. It's a 115 degree. Okay. Some people still like mistakes like that I have done now, that they sometimes do not put their point like this. Say puts like this or like this, so it's not give you correct. So 0 should be exact 0 would be, then we will start from inwards through infinite angles. And now I have tell you about here to here angle. Now we will do from here to here angle. Means they both are same but only directions are different. If you get an exam that measure this angle, measure this angle. How do you measure it? You will put the protractor here, save at exact 0 degree, and measure all the way up to 50 degree. But 50 degree would be wrong. So correct way is, so we are doing here to here. So it would be 133 degree. So it's 133 degree angle. Is this clear? Now we will do how to draw angles. Okay. This is the main topic of our. Then we will do story stumps based on angles. So if you get I'm thinking, like for example, if you get angle of 45 degree, how will you do? You will just do that. If you make a line, and if you don't have protractor, you can use it like a watch also. But I have a protractor, so measure it till 45, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So, and it's completed. So it's became 45 degree angle. That's how it's created angles. Okay. Now if I tell you that you have to draw the angle of more than 180 degree, means you have to make of 225 degree. How will you make 180 degree? 3 plus 180 degree and plus not from this. So 180 degree straight angle. Then we have to minus 180. It's coming 0.45. So 180 plus 45, we have to then add it. 0. It's obviously not correct. If you did this like this, I have tell you the wrong method. If you get it on how to measure the angle of this, so in this we have to do this. We have to draw the angle of 225 degree. I was correct. So it's 180 degree. Then we have to add more now. So how many were left? 45 degree. So we will add 45 now. 180 plus 45. Now you will make it from me. It's exact. Yes, it's here. 225 degree angle is here. I have measured it, and it's 225 degree. I have measured it plus this and plus this. Okay, so it's become the exact angle if you want. Now let's I will tell you how to measure and reflex angle. Okay, so if you get like this question, like this you get the question. It's not more. It's not 225. It's more than that. So 180 plus measure this acute angle. How do we measure it? Like this. So which is coming? 31. Then we have to add 31. So our answer is 211 degree. And now if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell button. Bye. Have a nice day.